Hey digicians, once you own a digital asset, once you launch your digital product online, it can be a permanent source of income for you. Yes, the active income source or even passive income source as you start running a digital product. In this video, we are going to discuss a wonderful solution through which you can launch a digital wallet and remittance app. So the script, this is an script that you can use directly without any coding skill, and you can launch your digital wallet and remittance app with website admin panel in no time, and you don't need any technical skill for doing such things. So on this channel Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can start our own digital business. I'm not talking about writing blogs, creating websites and all, or giving online services. It is simply launching a project. It means you are going to own a digital asset and people are going to pay you for the services that you are offering. There might be several options. One that we are going to discuss is digital wallet and remittance app, and that comes with website and admin panel. So this is a ready to use script, and you can simply install this app, your own domain and hosting. But let us first discuss the system, how it is going to work and how easy it is really to maintain. So I'll show you the user panel, the admin panel, and this is the front end website that you are going to own. So this is a complete white label product, and you can run this product at your own name, at your own hosting and your domain, of course. So this is going to be yours indirectly, and you just need to pay a very minimal amount for doing all these activities. So digital asset can be used for providing digital services. Like this is an application, online software application you can say, and it is offering a money transfer service. Okay, so easiest and simple global money transfer can be slogan of your website, and it has all the simple features like global money transfer, real-time exchange rates, bank transfer, low, transparent fees and all. So you can read all these details what the system is offering here, and you can even download a demo APK to check the app how it is working on your Android device. I'm not going to show you the Android device how it is working because the access is directly available for everyone. You can simply download the APK and run at your Android device so that you may check how well it is working. And this is a complete script that has been developed by Workfinder. They are elite author at InvatoMarket.net. So it is going to give us a good code quality application. Definitely we are going to get regular updates once we buy the regular license, and it can be run smoothly at our hosting. So talking about the digital backend, digital wallet backend. So this is the admin panel that I'm going to show you very quickly, and this is the dashboard, and the dashboard is showing the basic information what is going inside the system. So the recent transaction is here, the deposits can be seen, virtual card orders. So the virtual card is very popularly being used throughout the world nowadays, so it don't need any physical card, and virtual card helps in making transactions online. So this is a virtual card. So first of all, we can discuss all the things what is available inside the system, the wallet, currency, and all these details can be seen directly at the dashboard. And further, the regular reports is also available in the system. To start with, since you are going to own the system, you just need to configure the panels up first of all. So I'll show you control panel first of all. So this is the basic control panel that you are going to set at very first time when you are launching your project. So like basic controls, gives us options to change the site title. This, because it is going to be a complete white label solution, the complete control is going to be yours, so you can handle the system according to your convenience, and Like you can change the site title and you can set the time you want currency, the currency rate, all uh, the basic things, and even primary and secondary color of the website. Further, we have cookie policy settings, virtual card settings, like allow existing users to create multiple cards. You can enable this, or charges existing user per card request. So this is the charge for the per card request, because this is a earning model for you. You are going to collect the charges for the service you are providing through this portal. Money transfer settings you can set here, like minimum transfer amount in USD or minimum transfer fee, minimum transfer amount, and the maximum transfer fee. Referral settings, you can go for what you are offering as referral earning to the affiliates that you are going to offer at your website. Logo you can upload up at your own. Of course, it is going to be your website, so you can upload your own logo. Push notification settings, so you can configure the push notification configuration. So it may be coming from the third party, so you need to change the settings like API key, Firebase configuration, and all. So in the push notification area, you need to add all these credentials, and this is Firebase is for basically API, and push notification you can enable or disable here, so it will work directly. Okay, so the push notification we see in app notification settings are here, like notification templates. You can change the settings, how the notification is being shown, like profile update. Once the user updates any profile, how it is going to send the notification. So you can edit the notification, like profile has been updated. So it is in-app notification. Push notification is for website, and in-app is for already installed application. So it should be very clear. Okay, so let us go to the control panel. Okay, so similarly we have virtual card settings, and we can okay, so I have shown you this money transfer settings, referral settings, logo settings, push notification we have seen. And further, I can go to the control panel. In-app notification, email configuration is required. How system is going to transact, like you can change the settings, SMTP details, or the existing email client, MailChimp, or whatever you want to use. Like basic SMTP is already configured. You can edit the credentials, and it will start working for email communication. Further, you can change the template and email templates you can control. So every email that is going to be used in the system, you can control or edit the details or the wordings or the text areas, of course. And further, in the controls panel, email, the SMS. Further, if you want to use the SMS service, like you can use the Tulo account for sending or receiving SMS, so you can configure the Tulo. Similarly, we have language settings, so in which language we are offering this solution, so you can add new languages as well as per your requirement. But yes, the default English language is here, or even Spanish is available here, so you can add your language, none that matters. And further, in the storage settings, we can use the Amazon S3 just in case, or you can use your local storage server, so it is totally configurable again. So you can use SFTP or Digital Ocean, so whatever you want to use. Basically, if we are hosting this application at our server, so local storage can be directly used. Translate API settings, Azure or Google can be used directly. Further, plugin settings, in case if you are willing to add third-party plugins like chat support with Dwac or FB Messenger, Google reCAPTCHA, so you can configure these settings directly. Further, we have the maintenance mode, so we can enable the maintenance mode in a single click and with a message that we want to show on the screen. Two-factor authentication and socialite, so just in case if you are willing to connect from the social hub, it can be connected directly. So this is the first time and one-time use, and you need to go for all these settings for very first time. And further, you can use the Firebase settings for app, like server key and the valid API key and auth. So this is for app uses. Next is the payment setting that you can configure at the system. So since it can be a global system, or you can use the system at a specific country, like if it is India, you can go for the Indian payment gateway provider. Like there are many payment gateway I can see. Razorpay is prominently being used, so it is already configured. You don't need to do any coding or API skills. You just need to put the credentials. Like if you are using the Razorpay, you can simply place the Razorpay API and key secret, and it will start working. Similarly, if you are offering the solution in multiple countries, you can use a Stripe, Flutterwave, or PayPal. So whatever payment gateways account you have, you can simply configure the payment gateways account directly here. So it is very important step, because you are going to offer a payment exchange, money exchange solution, or online wallet system. So it is very important to configure the payment gateway. In fact, multiple payment gateways may be required for this. Even you can use the manual payment gateway like bank transfer. So you can definitely edit the details here, like you are offering the manual payment gateway, manual gateway, sorry. So account number and that beneficiary NID or address, whatever it is applicable. So you can simply support it, currency configuration, you can update here. Further, you have subscriber details like the front end subscribers that you can check here, and further you can delete the subscriber as well. Next, we have control on the page that is visible on the website. Like if we are editing the home page, we can edit the details of home page here, like home, the hero image areas. Like if you are changing the hero image, you can simply change the details here, hero, and you can make a space or even write the text or insert the section. So it is totally editable. And similarly, we have the pages like home and about pages, so we can edit the credentials here like about, and so you can drag it up and down how you are willing to show. So okay, so these all details are being visible on the page. So this is a one page website. Front end website is just a one page website. Okay, so it is multiple pages, sir. So you can check all the details, FAQ, and also you can update the details everywhere that you want. Like this is the page, and even you can offer the pages in multiple languages as you are offering on the website. Further, you can go for SEO pages. You can create new pages as per your requirement. Like if you are willing to change the terms and conditions details, so you can simply edit the text and all. So it is very simple. You can do without having any technical knowledge and all. Menu for how you want to show the menu. Like pages are here, you can arrange the menu again. So you can use the drag and drop feature for changing the menu order and all. And you can even add the custom links. For content editing, like if you are editing the hero image, that was at first we set the pages, what pages we want to use, and the order of the elements on the pages. For editing the content, this is the area where you can edit the content like text and all. So you might be thinking where you are editing the text. So this is the area where you can edit the text for all pages, like about us pages, the how it works page. So all the pages can be edited here. So it is again going to be super simple. And manage blog is another section where you can create new blogs or add a new category. So you can keep adding blogs for keep your website active and in the indexing stage at the search engines. So this is the area where the basic settings is to be done and regular activities is required, may be required, like if you are adding the regular blogs. However, once you launch your website, like I did the page details and all, it is done and you don't need to do any regular activities. Okay. So now coming on the system and how the system is going to work. Once your configuration is done, your website is live and your app is even live. So how the system is going to work. So dashboard is going to show you all the things, what is going inside the system, like transaction and all. Like transaction summary, you can check here. So all the details you can see here, the total transactions and the daily transaction, total profit and daily profit. So you can check all the details and you can check the transaction details specifically for a particular transaction. Further, we have countries configuration where we want to offer the services. So you can add a new country or update the existing ones. So the basic details, can be edited easily. Like if we are offering the service in Germany, we can put the currency for the Germany, like euro is being used in the uh, Germany, so it can be currency code or the currency ISO 3 code or the phone code, the country name and the flag of country. For the country status, we can enable, disable sender status, and receiver status can be handled separately. So this is complete configuration about the country where your system is going to work. Further, we have control on the services, what services we are willing to offer, like local bank transfer, money transfer, mobile top up, or the cash pickup. So these are the services. However, you can add new services as you need related to the portal and services. Transfer list is again here. So what transfer is going inside the system, how it is being used by the users, like the sender is API user, like the app user is saying receiver, who is the sender, who is the receiver, and under review, and what are the further details, like transaction details are here, customer details can be seen here, and you can further approve the transactions as you are admin, so you can transfer approve the transactions like under review and the completed, or the status may be changed accordingly. So this is a regular activity screen where you need to work, or your associate or a staff member can work on this screen. Virtual card. So this is another main thing that is available inside the system. Available methods, like for virtual card, we can use the payment gateways, Stripe and these payment gateways, UTF, and so basically Stripe is being used worldwide. Request list for virtual card can be seen here, who is requesting for a virtual card, and the card list. So card number is visible here since you are admin, so you can approve the request, and for the like if you are checking this request virtual card request, you can approve the card or reject the card. So once you approve the card, it will be added in the card list, and the same user will be able to see. So I'll show you the easier screen as well. Add fund request and the block request. So if you are adding the card, so fund request can be added. So if you are willing to run a money transfer service, you need to understand all these terms and the flow. So this is very simple, however, but yes, you need to understand all these things. Further, we have the transaction logs. We can check all the transactions, the payment logs, and the payment request. What we are getting, this is some form of a report only. Support tickets, in case users generate any support ticket request, you can check and handle here. Further, you can take action on the support tickets, and you can close the ticket as well. So this is very simple again, and reply tickets, you can see the filtration and the closed tickets, so all details can be seen here. KYC setting is also very required because this is a money related thing, so you can go for KYC and add new forms for as per your requirement, as per details you need to collect from your users, like pending KYC details can be seen here, the approved KYC and the KYC related things and the rejected KYC. So all these can be seen here. User management is the thing, like how many users are there in your system and how you are managing their credentials. So total users and the active members and joined today can be seen as a summary. Whether you can edit the details of users, like username, mobile number, and city, and all such details are available for editing or for view only. Editing and for view, of course. And you can change the username, and further you can reset the password preferences and all. So since you are admin, you can do anything, but you have to take care and you have to take regular backups as well. So it is user related things. So keep in mind, users are getting affected by your actions. So it is very important to handle the system with due care. Okay, so users are completely in your control as a platform owners. Okay, so a mail to users, just in case if you want to send a bulk mail to users, so this can be generated here and can be sent to all users. Control panel we discussed, and payment setting we discussed. So all these things are here at the admin panels that you need to control or configure. So some activities are for one time and some are regular activities like virtual card approvals, the transaction and all such things. needs regular attention, and the onboarding, of course, is one-time activity. Now I'm going to show you the user screen. So how user is going to handle the system, how user is using the system. And don't forget, this is an app for users. You are controlling the system from the backend using the admin panel. But the user website version is also here that I'm going to show you. And this is the user screen. Okay. So before we discuss the user screen, you might be thinking where you are earning. So the transaction charges is your earning. As the payment gateway charges a transaction fee, you are also going to charge a fee for every transaction, every services, and that is going to your earning. This is the earning model, and this is going to be your digital business. So now here we are at the user login, and at user login, first of all, user can check their wallets, how many wallets they have in different countries, and what are the balances in the particular wallet. So they can use the wallet for transaction and all, of course, and the wallet balance can be seen here, send money last month, and the deposits in the wallets, and all the status of the transactions like amount, that remarks, and the details can be seen by the user. So this is user screen. So this is very simple and easy screen for users. The users can send money using their wallet. So send exactly USD dollars or a receiver amount. So the user to user transfer is the platform. Like there two users in different countries or in the same country can transfer the amount among them without having the bank or all. So this is the platform, and this is like USD, different currencies. The user can, since it's a money, it is a money exchange formula and money exchange feature. So user can send currency, send money in different currencies. Yes. So this is very good, and the user can choose the amount, let's say $15 or whatever. So like this is $15, and user can continue sending the money to all or add a new name. Who do you want to send the money to? So you can search the user whom you want to send. I mean, the user is willing to send money, or even new user can be added here. Like if the user is selected, so confirm the amount is reconfirmed here, and the bank name and the recipient account is here. So confirm and continue, and the payment gateway is visible here. Since you are using your wallet payment, so you can use the wallet payment, or you can even user. So you means user in this discussion. The user can select the payment gateways or wallet. So if amount is there in their wallet, they can use wallet, or further the Stripe or the payment gateways can be used for sending and receiving the money. So basically this is sending money screen. So this is the sending money. Similarly, the recipients. So sent, I shown you the recipients, and can check all the details from where they are getting money and all. So this is the recipient, and so the basic information, account information can be seen here. Okay, so user can check who is the recipient from their account, and so since this is the recipient, sent is main activity by the user, and the receipts can also be seen here. So who is giving you? So if you are sending, you can also receive as well. Cards, the virtual cards. So if the virtual card request is here, so it can be seen here. A virtual card is stored on your phone and can be used to pay the contactless in the stores or online, but it has its own unique card number, expiry date, and CVC. So this is virtual card, like a credit card, physical credit card. It works well, and you can use this virtual card since it is available at your handheld device, mobile phone. So it can be used for the contactless payment as well. This is great. So virtual card is here for user and all. Okay, so the deposit can be seen by the users. Further deposit can be made by users since if they want to add some money in their wallet or the bank transfer. So it is available here for users since the wallet is main function. So users can add amount in the wallet. So they can select the wallet currency and the amount, and further make payment is option is here. Like if it is USD and gateway first, so take gateway first, choose currency, And if it is make payment, it will take to the payment gateway like $100 and make payment. So it will take user to the Stripe payment gateway. If Stripe is selected, and user can update or top up the money at their wallet. The bank transfer option is also, so this is basically adding the amount in their wallet. Select your wallet. So you can users can select their wallet, what is active there, and further they can add money. History is complete report for users, like transaction history can be seen, and the deposit, transfer, request history and all. And there are some more features like setting and the support tickets. And setting, in the settings, the user can update their password, two-step verification, and log out from all devices and all. So further, the support ticket can be raised just in case user need any support from the admin. So it can be available and through a support ticket. And the dark mode is also available. So dark mode is basically trending nowadays, and it is well available in the system. So this is complete money exchange formula, and this works very fine throughout the world, and it is a very stable digital business. So it is a stable digital business. Once you set up the system, it can be a business forever. So it is never ending business, and it can be a very good option to start or launch a digital business using this solution. And if we talk about how you can start, it is very simple. You can simply buy the solution, buy the script through the Code Canyon. Through the video description link at the Code Canyon. And the script cost is $59. Further, you need to have a good hosting plan that also come in on an average in the similar amount for a year. So you can easily calculate the expense. So it is around $120 or $150, or in Indian rupees, it is around 10,000 rupees. So in 10,000 rupees, you are going to launch this complete solution, and you are going to offer the complete money transfer solution by using this portal and a mobile app. So don't miss, this is also a mobile app. So users are going to use the solution in form of a mobile app, and you can check the mobile app directly here. And the next question might be in your mind, how you are going to set up the solution. So there are two ways to set up the solution. You buy the solution, follow the documentation that is available with the package, and you can set up the system at your own, at your hosting, at your domain. The second method is again given in the video description. Link is there in the video description. We are going to help you in setting up, and there is no charges for setting up this solution. So we will give you the complete ready to use solution at your domain, at your hosting. Later you can change the credentials, of course. So we are going to help you in making the solution live for you, and you can start your digital business using this solution Waiz, and it is a solution for digital wallet and remittance app, and with the website admin. So I believe this is going to be a very good choice if you are willing to run a solution in the money transfer and all. So there might be several options for starting a digital business. As I said, you can check the videos on this channel and choose a one and start your digital business. I'm sure you are going to like any of the solution that I am showing or discussing, and you can easily start your own digital asset online. So in the next video, I'm coming with more. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.